Another day, another package. Ito yung in-order kong story time tayo. When I went to the conference, alam mo yung attire ready ka na. Ang dami mong magagandang dinalang damit. However, dumating ang period ko and unfortunately, I won't be able to wear any of the things na plinano kong isuot because I'm not confident na hindi ako tatagusan. Pagkakasama pa na pakiramdam ko, like I have everything planned. Dinner, meetups, coffee dates, lahat yon hindi natuloy guys. Just because hindi ako confident na hindi ako tatagusan. Habang minamigraine ako dahil sa period ko, dumaan to sa feed ko and I said, okay, no, I need to get this. I need to buy this. Imagine 30 pieces, as in, sobrang dami niya. Sakto to. Siguro I would say this would be good for maybe 2 months. Pero dahil naka-buy one, take one siya, meron na akong supply na good hanggang 20-25 dye. So, ganito siya, 30 pieces each. Let me just show you why I wanted to buy this one. Ayoko na rin na lagi ako nag-aalala kapag may period ako. And si Papski, alam mo yung Alpha Mart sa tapat ng Cellapods, bumibili siya doon talaga ng Pampers. Hindi man nagkakaigi sa akin yung mga diaper ng kids. This one, on the other hand, is for adults talaga. So, pag open mo na ganyan, it's like a normal pad, pack. Tapos, di ba para pa rin siyang diaper? But, this one is for adults. And tinignan ko talaga siya because, again, blessed, hindi po fake yan. Tunay po talaga tayong blessed doon. Sa part na yun, so kailangan I really have to find something that would fit me. And this is what I got. So, it's like, it's an underwear, pwede kong isuot pag may period ako. Anyway, if you guys are interested and gusto nyo ma-secure na din, hanggang 2025 ang periods nyo at kung kagaya ko kayong malakas mag-period, this is a must-have. Ilalagay ko na lang sa yellow basket. I know that they have one na isang piraso lang and then what I got is yung naka-promo na buy one, take one.